In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Mailchimp email as a PDF. This guide is designed to walk you through every step of the process, ensuring that you can effortlessly create a PDF copy of your email campaigns for archiving, sharing, or reviewing offline. Let's start by navigating to the Mailchimp website. You'll need to log in to access your account, so go ahead and visit the Mailchimp login page. If you're not automatically redirected, you can find this page easily by searching for Mailchimp login in your preferred web browser, or you can type in the direct URL if you know it. Once you've reached the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address. Make sure you input the email address or username associated with your Mailchimp account. After you've filled this in, the next step is to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure you're entering your password correctly, as it's crucial for accessing your account and proceeding with the next steps. After you've entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. With successful login, you'll be directed to the Mailchimp dashboard, which is essentially your control room for all your email marketing activities. From the dashboard, look for the Campaign section. This is where all your email initiatives come together, from drafts to sent emails, allowing you to manage everything from a single interface. Click on Campaigns to proceed. Here you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've created over time. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign or email you wish to export as a PDF. Upon finding your desired campaign, click on it to view more details. Look for the option that says View Email to see how the email looks to your subscribers. This preview feature is a perfect way to double check your content before taking the next step. Now for the main event, exporting your email as a PDF. While viewing your email, you can easily export it by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard if you're using a Windows computer, or Command+P if you're on a Mac. This command initiates the print dialog box. In this dialog, you'll want to change the destination from your default printer to Save as PDF. This option converts your print job into a PDF file rather than sending it to an actual printer. After selecting Save as PDF as your destination, you might want to tweak a few settings to ensure the PDF output meets your needs. You can adjust the layout between portrait and landscape, set the margins as you see fit, and choose whether to include background graphics. These settings vary slightly depending on your browser, so feel free to explore and adjust accordingly. Once you're happy with the settings, proceed to save your document. You'll be prompted to choose a download location on your computer, and you can also rename the file here if you wish. Choose a name that's easy for you to recognize and find later, and pick a spot that makes sense for how you'll use this PDF. After all, organization is key when dealing with multiple files. Finally, click the Save button. Your computer will generate a PDF file of your email campaign and save it to your designated location. You've now successfully exported your Mailchimp email as a PDF, ready for whatever you need it for, be it archiving, sharing with colleagues who might not have access to Mailchimp, or simply for your records. Quick tip, always review your PDF after saving to ensure that all the content is correctly formatted. Occasionally the conversion process might slightly alter the layout or appearance, so it's good to double check. To wrap up, exporting Mailchimp emails as PDFs is a straightforward process that allows for greater flexibility in how you access and share your content. Whether you're doing this for record keeping, compliance, or collaborative purposes, following these steps will ensure you're able to efficiently transform your digital campaigns into tangible assets. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with colleagues or bookmarking it for future reference. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to export another campaign. Happy marketing, and see you in the next tutorial.